This will be for the con assignment, individuals, variables, and categorical and quantitative data. Okay. Fen Yang is comparing rooms at a conference center. Here is some data he collected. So we have the room names, the seating capacity, the hiring cost, if it has a projector, and if it is accessible. All right, so all of these have two questions, I think. First, they ask the individuals in this data set. Okay, the individuals are going to be like what is being described. Okay, so clearly you can see it's the room names that are being described. For instance, the boardroom, they list the seating capacity, the hiring cost, if it has a projector, if it's accessible. Same thing for the Bassford and the Fernery. Okay, all of these have descriptions. So as far as individuals are concerned, that's going to be what is being described. So clearly that's the room names. All right, so the first question, the answer will be the room names. Okay, and that's answer C, rooms at the conference center. Now the second question, they talk about how many variables, and they're going to say if they're quantitative or categorical. Okay, if they're quantitative, that means you can put a number to it. All right, so let's see how many variables we have and how many are quantitative. All right, we have the individuals that are being described does not count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 variables. Okay, so I look at it like this. And you can see for seating capacity, clearly you can put a number to it. So that's going to be quantitative. Okay. Hiring cost, same thing. You can obviously put a number to it. That's quantitative. If it has a projector, it's either going to be yes or no. Okay. So there's no numbers here. This is not quantitative. This one's going to be categorical. All right. And same with accessibility here. It's going to be yes or no. There's no numbers. So it's categorical, okay? So we have 4 variables. And we have 1, 2 that are quantitative. So that's your answer. You just find the correct one. Okay? Answer A, 4 variables, 2 of which are quantitative. All right. All right, one more. The girls' basketball team played a game this Wednesday. Here are some of the stats for the players. So they listed the players, the free throw percentage, the number of assists, and what class or year they're in. All right. So first question, the individuals in this data set. Again, the individuals are what is being described or what is being broken down. Okay, so clearly the individuals are the players, okay, because they list the stats or statistics for each player. So the individuals are the players, basketball players, right? And then the data set contains, they want the number of variables and how many are quantitative. All right, let's see. So separate the players, all right? And this is 1 variable, the free throw percentage. The assists is 2 variables, and the class is the 3rd variable, all right? So which one is quantitative? Well, clearly free throw percentage has a number. That's a quantity. Number of assists, that's clearly a quantity. And if they're, what year they're in, junior, senior, sophomore, that is not a quantity, that's a category, all right? So the ones that don't have the numbers are categories, junior, senior, sophomore, all right? So we have 3 variables, and 2 of them are quantitative. So we just find the correct answer. All right. Answer B says 3 variables and 2 are quantitative.